Hey everyone, so we are back. If you traded today and you were a little bit confused, I hope this trade recap cleared that up for you. The monitor is very bright, so I'm put my blue blocking glasses. So both gold and NQ, there was a lot of good opportunities. On silver, I didn't really look anything on the silver today. So let's get right into it. So a lot of people had questioned. I'm like, why am I looking at this monitor? Is because my OBS recording is on this side, and I'm making sure it's actually recording my voice, and I'm making sure I'm not going my my time my time limit. I don't want to like yap for like an hour, so I'm always looking at make sure the volume bar is recording, make sure I'm recording. So I'm gonna clear that out for people that were confused a little bit. So yeah, so today the market opened. We got this all these POIs. So if you wanted to trade the first one, you could have. It's just you put your POI right here. And let's go to replay bar, start new. Let's go here. So that's your first POI. You go down to 1 minute. You set your alert in here. And you just go about it. For those of you that wanna know, this indicator is called ICT high time frame candles. ICT HTF candles. And this one was a clean one. So we came here, we didn't close below it. So you want to get in when the candle closed below it. So we're just gonna wait for the second opportunity. There you go. So right here, we didn't close above yet. We haven't closed above yet. There it is. So you wanted to get in right here. Put your stop loss right below here. And then you can take profit in here. You can also take profit in here. So those are two take profits area. And it's your final take profit. Or I've been taking lots of base hit lately. So it's 45. Let's go about 45. Sell here. Sell like, let's say sell 2 of them here, just to be sure. Or you can just put it at this most recent swing. There we go. The price goes straight. This is a very high probability setup because of we came cleanly close below the POI. Not only that, we also sweep this liquidity. So for liquidity sweep, I usually mark him and I just call it LS for liquidity sweep. So that would have been a trade that you could have taken, but the trade that I took was very similar. So there we go. So get rid of that. So yeah. So I got in somewhere around here. So I saw this candle close. I saw this candle close. This candle close above this. So I marked my POI. I set my alert. I went down to 1 minute. And then once my alert got hit, we closed above it. Cleanly closed below it. Got in. My take profit was somewhere around here. But I just put it at this most recent swing. And we hit it within 5-6 minutes. I got my take profit. I'm happy with slightly above 1-to-1 for base hit, and I just walked away. I was done for the day. If you wanted to continue to trade, you could have waited for that hourly candle to close. There we go. Let me clean that. So it's just less confusion, I guess. So yeah, when I see 2 consecutive candle closes, and the third one doesn't really close below it, so it creates like this untapped liquidity that we can take. I usually mark that area, put a $sign on it for take profit. There we go. And I usually mark the top of that hourly candle as well for LS, short for liquidity sweep. So usually liquidity comes and take it and then just continues and grabs. Especially if that previous candle wick is not taken. So I go down to, there you go. So this one, you don't touch it because we didn't close above it. This one, however, we grab all this liquidity, and right away, this is a really good A plus setup because the price closed above, closed below it, bearish engulfing candle. You just get in right here. You can target all the way down here for a 1 to 4, or you can just go for base hit. You can take one, you can trade multiple contract, take one off here, take another one here at this swing, take another one here, and let the rest run. Or you can just go for this low hanging fruit right here. Just take all your contract off, one to two, and be done for the day. That's it. I don't think the price gave you any more opportunity for the day. Oh, it did. It did in here. So I'll just show it to you before we go on NQ. There was a really good couple of good trade on NQ too, which I couldn't take because I was busy. It's end of the year. It's very chaotic at work. So you see all these downward candles, and you see this. So you draw your POI right here. Even though it's like a last hour of the day, you don't really want to trade it in, but the volume is usually good. So you want to trade that, and then you want to have a liquidity sweep area and a POI area. Because sometimes the price doesn't just reverse off the POI. The price goes, grabs more liquidity, and then start going tumbling down. So this one, we close above it. We failed to close above it. We tried it a couple of times. And if we fail to close above the liquidity, when we go down, you can either get in on this inverse gap, or you just want to be 100% sure that we are going to go down. You just wait for it. The candle closed right here after this candle. You could have gotten. Right here. Usually on this type of entry, I'm a little bit more aggressive with my stop loss. I would have put my stop loss above this fair value gap, and I would have gotten for this quick swing low to be taken. And 1 to 3 you would have taken. Just for a quick 1-to-1. A little bit slightly above 1-to-1, but you get the idea. When you trade prop firms, the name of the game with prop firm is base hit. Base hit, base hit, base hit. You stack up that base hit and the consistency, you're going to be amazed what you can accomplish with it. That was the analysis on the gold. Let's go on NQ real quick. So this one, I had this one, I had this. So yeah, I had this. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, 300 ticks, so pretty good. So this is one of the way I traded in. So when I see a candle, the body of the candle doesn't really close above it and almost like sweep the previous one and start tumbling down and completely engulf the previous candle. It's also kind of like a CCT. And on the higher time frame, we are bearish anyway. So this was just a quick correction overnight on the London session. London session gives you usually the correction leg. New York delivers the continuation. If you don't know the strategy, just watch the strategy video. I made like 2-3 strategy videos so far. You can find them. They're usually the one with the most views on the channel. So here, you just draw your handy dandy areas. So you probably got like 2 good opportunity. We got this one. I didn't trade it. So this one, it would have gotten faked out. This one will close above, will close below it, and then you could have got in. Target this swing, and then boom, 1 to 2 almost, and you'd be done. And then you had your alerts in here for liquidity sweep and POI. This one, the first one would have juked you out. because you could have gotten out here. And if you would have put your stop loss right here, would have target here, you would have been tagged out. And the market gave you a second opportunity here. You would have gotten out, you would have gotten in here. And you could have targeted this swing. You could have targeted this swing. And also this swing. Yep. So, and of course that original point, or sorry, this one. Yeah. So you see, once the price, it just does the same thing. You see, I just show you on gold. The price did the same thing. Came, grabbed the liquidity on this previous indication point, grab above it, and look how cleanly it just delivered. Boom. Just like that. It's like 310 ticks. That could have helped you pass eval challenge. There it is. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you have any question, leave a comment. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. And there's more free content coming in and my thought process. And come join the community. You have a lot of people posting their trades and whatnot. And love and peace. You guys have a good New Year. Happy New Year. Tomorrow market is closed, so we'll be back with a trade recap probably Friday afternoon. And Happy New Year. See you guys in the next one. Peace.